So when I think about community health systems, I pretty much unpack the three words. So community, how important it is for us to really be thinking about the community and not just the health facility. Community including the household, very broadly defined and inclusive. Health also, broadly defined, really thinking about health not just as the absence of disease, but physical health, mental health, good nutrition. You have to be healthy but happy. And then systems, you need to think about how all the pieces work together. We're so siloed, we're so compartmentalized. It's really awful the way the funding contributes to that, the way our specialty education process contributes to that. Nobody really gets a PhD in dot connecting or integration. You get a PhD in a very specific specialty area. So this idea of system thinking and thinking out all the different pieces fit together, there's a theme there which is more holistic, more broadly defined, and less compartmentalized. The value of core group is that it's a community of practice. It sounds hokey, but there's a family feel to it. It's small enough and intimate enough that you can feel connected to everybody that's here. When you come together, for the meetings, they're not so huge that you feel like you're just sort of lost or a cog in a wheel. You feel like you're part of something. And you're part, of something bigger than yourself or even bigger than your own organization. You're part of a community of practice. And I think you also, because of the size and just the way it's structured, you have an ability to contribute at whatever level you can. So in other words, I've been really blessed to be able to have been a leader to help influence by the work that you do in the working groups, developing materials and approaches, but you influence by being on the board or a working group chair. You are influential in bringing the state-of-the-art of community health and development forward, and that's a unique opportunity. And you're also, a part of that influence is that you're influencing others, but you're also being influenced, you're learning. I just feel like when I'm at the core group meetings, I'm part of something, and part of something important, and part of something that's actually making a difference, not just coming to a meeting or a conference and even just learning something, but you're actually feeling there's some movement and momentum happening that you're part of, which is a really nice feeling.